Hello guys, welcome back to my day 10 of English speaking practice videos. And this session I will improve my speaking skill within 60 days. Already I have improved myself 30 to 40% in speaking skills. I am improving my vocabulary for more better my speaking skill in surround other people, for talk to other people, confidently and fluently talk to other people without hesitate, and without any mistakes and grammatical mistakes. So I am so much better in speak in English. My When I start this session, I was not to speak. I was can't to speak in English. Uh, 1 minute. But now I am speak in English. Now I am speaking English so much better. You see what how much my speaking skill so much better before I started this session. So supporting me and subscribe the channel and like this video to grow more, for my upcoming videos and what is called, and subscribe this video, subscribe this channel. See you tomorrow, and see you tomorrow in next videos. Thank you.